Hi friends, welcome to Insult. So this is the 98th episode in the space series. So today in space we are going to discuss about a structure in the universe. We can't exactly say a structure because it is kind of the absence of a structure. So these are voids. So first, what is a void? So take a spider web. Yes. So a spider web is just randomly spread across like this. So you got a new spider web. So sometimes it might be in pattern, but let's just think the spider web is like this. Yes. So see this spider web. So the spider string which is in red here, just think of that spider string as all the galaxies. Everything like that in the universe. So these form the galactic filaments. Galaxies, a group of billions of galaxies which cover the entire universe. But we can't exactly call it cover because there are some gaps in this Swiss cheese. So in this same spider web, there are these holes. These are the voids. Yes. So the galactic filaments are just a big spider web, but kind of 3D as well. They're not just 2D like spider webs. Yes. So this is the same thing which happens for all galactic filaments. Yes. So let's begin with some examples of a void. So the largest void is the the Boet's void. It's not Booth's void, it's the Boet's void. Boet's void. Because of this small accent mark we kind of have to change the complete pronunciation. Yes. So I'll just quickly make a rough sketch of it. The spider web is kind of obscuring the view. Okay. So this is what the Boet's void roughly looks like. Around here are other galaxies, other galactic filaments. Yes. And right over here is the Boet's supercluster. Yes. So you see this thing here, this kind of bridge thing where galaxies go like this. The galactic filament is just like once used to be a bridge. Yes, so there's a big theory about this same Boet's void, that the Boet's void is just a union of two voids. So once upon a time there used to be a bridge of galaxies, but for some reason it eventually disappeared. So two voids merged into one. So you can still see some parts of the remaining bridge here and here as they are retreating away. Yes. So some other voids include the Canis Majoris void, other voids. Yes. So, but first, why is the universe like this? Why does the universe have Swiss cheese holes? Yeah, why? So long ago we need to go to the very early universe. It was still literal seconds in the universe. Yes. So we need more space. This won't be enough to cover what we're talking about. So we're going to cover a very complicated topic right now. So in the start of the universe, there was electrons and protons just spinning around, just dancing everywhere. Just quarks, not even protons. So then the quarks came together to form the first protons, neutrons. So anything made out of quarks which has just an odd number of quarks is known as a baryon. Yes. So this is a baryon. This is also a baryon. It has 5, or even this is also a baryon. It has 7. It's an odd number of quarks. So it's still a baryon. So protons and neutrons are all baryons. Yes. So So then in the early universe, everything was made out of baryons. Almost everything except electrons, So these baryons were kind of everything the universe had. It was still just a big gluey pasta thingy. Yes. So it was very hot at the time as well. But now let's go back to the main topic. So across large areas of the universe, this is an experimental area. So there used to be big wave-like oscillations, baryonic wave oscillations, or BVO. Yes. So these used to happen. These used to create big regions which had waves. So this was how each region looked like. A center region and a surrounding region. Yes. So we can say that there were two states. So 0, 1 and 2. So 0 means there were no galaxies. None. That means not exactly none, but just a few. Next, the 1 means like some. That means just the mean amount. And 2 means a lot. Yes. So these same wave oscillations used to just overlay on top of each other. So this region where they overlay, it's a 2. So this is not the actual scale on how they do this, but this is what I am creating to explain it to you. So meanwhile, all this region which was not covered by these oscillations was still a 0. So these zeros would later become what we now call as voids. So meanwhile, all the other regions would later become galactic filaments. So you see, it is just like throwing a rock onto water. So the water will just create some waves and then be normal. Not exactly normal, but like that. It's pretty related to that. So this was how the early universe and the present day universe as well got its shape from these same things. So without these, the voids would not exist at all. Everything would be homogeneous. That means kind of just the same everywhere. Equality everywhere. So yeah, this for today about voids and what they are. Bye.